Welcome to the world of Python. Python is a popular programming language used worldwide. It's known for its simplicity and versatility. People use Python for various tasks. These include web development, data analysis, and artificial intelligence. Python is a great choice for beginners. Its straightforward syntax makes it easy to learn. You'll be writing code in no time. Python has a large and active community. Whether you're a student, professional, or hobbyist, Python offers something for everyone. Let's explore the exciting world of Python together. Python stands out for its beginner-friendly nature. Unlike some languages with complex rules, Python emphasizes readability. This makes it easier to understand and write code. Python's syntax is clear and concise. Imagine writing a recipe. Python is like using simple, everyday language. This is unlike other languages that might feel like deciphering a secret code. This simplicity doesn't mean Python is less powerful. It's used in complex fields like machine learning. Python allows you to focus on the logic of your programs. You won't get bogged down by complicated syntax. Let's explore the building blocks of Python variables and data types. These are fundamental concepts that every programmer needs to understand. A variable is like a container. It stores information that you can use and manipulate in your programs. This allows you to keep track of data and perform operations on it. Think of it as a labeled box where you can put different things. The label helps you identify what's inside the box without opening it. Data types tell Python what kind of information a variable holds. This is crucial because it determines what you can do with the data. Common data types include integers, which are whole numbers, useful for counting and indexing. Floats, which are numbers with decimals, perfect for representing more precise values like measurements. And strings, which are text. Strings are used for storing and manipulating textual data. For example, hello world is a string. It's a sequence of characters enclosed in quotes. Python makes it easy to work with variables and data types. Its simplicity and readability are some of its greatest strengths. You don't need to declare them explicitly. This means you can start using variables without much boilerplate code. You can simply assign a value to a variable, making your code more concise and easier to write, and Python will infer its type. This dynamic typing system is one of the reasons Python is so flexible. This flexibility contributes to Python's ease of use, making it a popular choice for beginners and experts alike. Section 4. Understanding Python syntax. Like a pro. Python syntax is designed to be clear and intuitive, making it accessible even for beginners. It uses indentation to structure code blocks, making it easy to read and understand, which is crucial for maintaining clean code. This means that the lines of code within a block are indented to the same level, ensuring consistency. Indentation isn't just for aesthetics. It's how Python understands the structure of your code, which is essential for avoiding errors. For example, an if statement's code block needs to be indented, or Python will throw an error. Python also uses familiar keywords like if, else, for, and while to control the flow of your programs, making it intuitive. This logical structure makes it easier to follow the steps your code executes, helping you debug and optimize efficiently. Section 5. Python's versatility from web to AI. One of Python's greatest strengths is its versatility. It is a language that adapts to various needs and requirements, making it a go-to choice for many developers. It's used in a wide range of domains from web development to data science, artificial intelligence, and more, making it a valuable language to learn and master. Web developers use Python frameworks like Django and Flask to build powerful websites and web applications. These frameworks simplify the development process and provide robust tools for creating dynamic web content. Data scientists and analysts rely on Python libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib for data manipulation, analysis, and visualization. These libraries offer extensive functionalities that make handling large data sets more manageable. Python's simplicity and the availability of these powerful tools have made it a favorite in the data science community. It's easy to read syntax, and comprehensive libraries streamline complex data tasks. Python's role in artificial intelligence is significant. It serves as the backbone for many AI projects, providing the necessary tools and frameworks. Libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch provide the tools to develop and implement machine learning algorithms. These libraries are essential for building and training models that can learn and make decisions. From self-driving cars to personalized recommendations, Python is at the forefront of AI innovation. Its flexibility and extensive library support make it indispensable in pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. Section 6 Ready, Set, Code. Embark on your Python journey. Congratulations. You've taken the first step toward learning Python. Remember that practice is key. Start with simple projects and gradually challenge yourself. Python's supportive community and abundant resources are there to help you along the way. Embrace the learning process and enjoy the journey into the world of programming with Python.